If your kitchen is small, you've probably already asked yourself, will this color make it feel darker? Will it clash with my cabinets? Am I about to choose something I'll regret? Because when the space is tight, wall color suddenly feels like a big decision. And if you've stood there staring at a fan deck of samples thinking, why do they all look the same? This video is for you. I'm going to show you 7 paint colors that actually help small kitchens feel brighter, more open, and visually larger, without relying on boring white. And at the end, I'll give you a curated 3-color palette you can use right away to make your kitchen feel cohesive without a full renovation. Have you ever picked a paint color that looked great in the store and awful in your kitchen? Let me know in the comments. I've been there. So at number 7, we have Faro and Ball Setting Plaster. This dusty blush beige adds warmth without shrinking the space. It's soft, unique, and gives your kitchen a cozy, lived-in vibe without making it feel busy. Now moving into number 6, Benjamin Moore Palladian Blue. This soft blue-green almost acts like a breath of fresh air. It opens up the space and adds that calming, airy feel that small kitchens really benefit from. At number 5, Sherwin-Williams Silver Strand, a silvery gray with a subtle green undertone. It gives depth without heaviness, and the hint of green helps the space feel wider and more relaxing. Holding the 4th spot, Faro and Ball Skimming Stone. Elegant and understated, this pale mushroom tone is perfect when you want a neutral that still has character. And it reflects light beautifully. Coming in at number 3, Sherwin-Williams Sea Salt. This serene green-gray looks beautiful with white, gray, or wood cabinets. It makes the room feel peaceful and soft, which creates the illusion of more space. At number 2, Benjamin Moore Pale Oak. Pale oak is warm but not yellow, soft but not bland. It melts into the background and helps your eye travel through the room without interruption. And taking the number 1 spot, Bare Blank Canvas. This warm off-white has a magical way of making any small kitchen feel bigger, brighter, and more breathable without looking sterile. Let's pull it all together with a palette designed to make your kitchen feel visually larger. Here's what I'd recommend. Bare blank canvas on the walls. It reflects light and gives you an instant airy feel. Soft gray on the lower cabinets adds gentle contrast without heaviness. Warm wood accents. Open shelves, cutting boards, bar stools. They bring warmth without adding bulk. This trio works no matter your layout and makes the room feel brighter, cleaner, and more open. What about the island? A kitchen island is a great place to add color. You have 3 options for this curated color palette. First, be the same as the kitchen color to give a sense of continuity and unity. Second, repeat 2 of the kitchen's colors on the island. Or third, contrast with the kitchen colors, making the island a focal point. I'm curious, which color from this trio would you use first in your kitchen? If your white cabinets make everything else look cold or unfinished, check out my latest video. I shared wall colors that warm things up and pull the whole kitchen together. Let's make your kitchen feel like home. I'll see you in the next one.